In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drag and drop photos in Canva. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. In the results, look for the official Canva website and click through. This takes you to the home page where you can access your account. Go ahead and log in so you can work inside the editor. Once you're signed in, open the design you want to work on. This can be any project you've already started, like a presentation, social media post, or flyer. Give the page a second to load fully so the left sidebar and the main canvas are ready to accept images. Now, let's bring in your photo the quick way. Open your computer's File Explorer, Finder on a Mac, or File Explorer on Windows. Navigate to the folder that contains your image, then click and hold the file. While holding your mouse, drag the photo into the Canva editor window. As you hover over the canvas, you'll see a subtle outline or preview. Release your mouse, and Canva will automatically upload the image and place it directly onto your page. At the same time, it's saved to your Uploads library, so you can reuse it later without re-uploading. If your design includes a frame or placeholder, the image may snap right into it as soon as you drop it. That's expected and can be handy for quick layouts. To replace an existing photo in a frame, drag the new one over that frame until you see it highlight, then release. If it lands on the page and you want to fine-tune it, you can move it around, resize from the corners to keep proportions, and double-click to adjust the crop. If you drop it by mistake, just use Undo to revert. There's also a simple way to upload without placing the photo on the canvas immediately. With your File Explorer still open, drag the image toward the left side of the Canva window and hover over the Uploads tab in the sidebar. When the Uploads panel opens, drop the file there. Canva will upload it to your library, and it will be ready to use whenever you need it, without appearing on the page right away. A few quick tips as you work. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so uploads complete smoothly. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. And if you're handling large images, give the upload progress a moment to finish before moving on. That's all you need to quickly drag and drop photos into Canva, either straight onto your design or into your uploads for later.